Good morning, or rather good afternoon. This is your friendly neighborhood JD, or Mechanics R Us. Just doing a quick exhaust decibel sound. Not really with a machine or anything, but as you can see I got my bike all back together, and I actually wanted to know what it would sound like with the muffler taken off. So, took off my Yoshimura exhaust, and now I am left with that. Essentially a shorty exhaust. So, without further ado, let's see if I can do this. That sounds like a drag car. Oh, I guess it's not warm enough yet. It's pretty close to warm though. Let's so loud. Oh. Maybe it's not ready for that yet. No. Oh, I've been having a few problems with the carbs. That is pretty gnarly. Yeah. Ooh. Falling over my exhaust. Alright. Have a good day, you guys. Peace out.